from Trenchtown. I was born at 11 and a half, Cali Smith Drive. Same place in the Trenchtown, in the concrete jungle. And we are out here. And we have been success. Rumble. Alright, so we want the Jamaican people them. Support with Jamaicans. Support Jamaican for Jamaican in America. Alright, don't come and complain Jamaican. Alright, give up all America. But we are Jamaican. Okay? So, go and play some more music now we there go and fight with
people. Blue.
3Q TV. Yeah, man, I'm going to 3 to 7. That's the thing there, yeah.
Governor. Yo. Well, as you can see, Killer. You see me? The best. Yeah, some Killer. They are Irish Jam in a Bronx. You see what I say? And this clip are before the show in the Barclay, so get that straight. So Bounty Killer just they endorse the place. And as you can see, a killer that. Just to go and advertise the show and getting people in a frenzy, you see me? So due to copyright, you know, but we just kinda let go that because as you can see, you see me? So viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the Street Youth TV. And we're there so they go and show you what go on with Bounty Killer. And people call them girl the iron balloon, but me have faith in them, you know, cause you see what I say? Time they'll come when them bust out and they run like a river. People don't say, them that K Queen. Big up on yourself. Yeah man. So Bounty Killer in the Bronx. Kingston shoe store. People say Kingston shoe store. No Jamaica that. No, I in the Bronx. So just remember say Killer at the night this or the day this before the Barclay show. So as you see, we just go on all the vibes there so and then make you see what I go on. And make you know what I go on with the Killer cause the Killer always exclusive in everything where I deal with it. So I say, yeah, the music they would play, where my dance to, where you get the new clocks the daddy, and which color that the body no daddy. Yeah. New bad man, Vibes Cartel and Papi. The music that them have vibes to right now at the moment. And you know some tough killer them bong same way after. Yeah peeps. So just go on all the vibes and watch what I go on cause the killer gonna meet and greeting people them who will take picture and is what I say. Yeah, 15 years them not see them DJ because you know a visa issue. So just go on all the vibes cause the killer go on all the vibes. You know how a DJ. Yeah. So all of the man them out there where and the woman them where know say yo, a straight alliance. No appliance. So I say, yeah. I want just big up Orient Freestyle. You see what I say? Yeah. One of the loyal soldiers on the battlefield. Non joke. Yeah. Do you think, Killer? Your time. Yes to the price. Different from to the price. Yeah. Big up yourself, Vibes Cartel. You, Killer, say start well. Yeah, people love the Killer outside. You see me? In the Bronx. Yeah. Irish Jam thing, you see me? Like, share and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. And you know, outside with it. Bless up on yourself. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Poor people, governor. Remember, you know. No time after the Barclay show, you know, say Killer they go there to Canada. Over 20-year killer and go to Canada, so you know, shellings that again, you know. Remember, me tell you know. So, just endorse the thing. Street Youth TV, like, share and subscribe outside. Killer and them people them out there go and do the thing, you see me? Right away. Never a dull moment with Killer. Seaview General. Kalalubed General. Zamaza. You know, Killer born and grow in the art of the music school. Trenchtown. Zamaza. Might not grow up down there, but I'm born ground. Zamaza. Like, share and subscribe. Street Youth TV. Outside. Never a dull moment. Killer people them glad for seeing star, I tell you. Always a good vibes. Yeah, man. Pure Clarks, you know, this store is a Clark store, this, you know. Pure Clarks. Kingston Fashion. That's the name of the Clark store. Kingston Fashion. Yeah, G. Big up on yourself, people. Like, share, and subscribe. We're going to make the vibes of some killer thing. You see what I say? Yeah. Some loyal fans, them a killer they have, you know. Killer have some loyal fans from way back in the days, them people they cheer for Killer. Because you can see them people kind of look ageable like. You see what I say? Some of them kind of look ageable like early 50, late 50. You know them people, yeah. Some 25 year, 20 year. Them a give the thing. You see what I say? No joke about that. Yeah, mama. Well endorsed.
Officially Bounty Killer Weekend.
Definitely.
New York City, New Jersey, Connecticut is officially Bounty Killer Weekend.
True.
Bronx, New Jersey, no, Bronx, Queens.
Yeah, Brooklyn.
Long
Island. Staten Island. Did we say Brooklyn? You say Brooklyn.
Whole you to 40s, 50s, 90s, Vanderbilt,
Who are Upsa.
So everybody has their tickets already, reggaefest.com. If you don't have your tickets, reggaefest.com, ticketmaster.com. Please, people, let's go and support the killer. Bounty Killer tomorrow.
History. It's going to be, do not hear about it, be about it, be inside of the building. Because let me tell you something, this man is legendary. Legend. And love the people, them show the people, them love the people, them show him love. Because he is the poor people's governor.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He's always been defending the people, them. And he's not more than White Plains Road.
No.
You know what I mean?
No.
You know what I mean? He could have said New York City and that's why I go shopping, but it's a White Plains Road.
Right, that's
I wonder why.
Right. You gotta go in the trenches, the gullies.
That's true.
With grassroots people.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
If it's not in the Bronx, it's in Brooklyn.
You see, there's some.
You understand?
There's some.
Yeah, so big up to Kingston's fashion.
Yeah.
And it's very fashionable. I want all my diaspora people, especially the Jamaican, to support. The clocks them look very, very authentic and original, and they are very, very reasonable. They are reasonable. So I'm endorsing.
What type of clock fan are you?
I'm a fan of every clock. But what's my favorite clock? The desert.
The desert.
We're riding through the desert. I just gave them a hairy bomb. Yeah, so the desert is my favorite clocks because it's like, it's dual. You can do jeans and you can do suits. So it's really not just a boot. It's the ideal clocks. Because if I'm in my suit, the desert works. And if if I'm in my jeans or my short suit, desert works. So it's like a dual piece. So it works in the desert and it works on the asphalt.
See that, sir?
So I think the desert is the most versatile clocks. But all the clocks are classy. And they are classy. So we endorse all the clocks. But they keep right through the desert. So long as it's a desert boot.
Now, 15 years since you haven't performed here in the United States, how does that feel as we get ready to anticipate tomorrow? How does that
Nostalgia. It felt like something I haven't done so much. It felt like reuniting with your peers and your family. So it's one big reunion in my head and one big fanfare with me and the fans, and then to know that New York very significant to my career. Because the first real hit I got was in New York. So when it comes to New York, it's like my second home musically. And out of Kingston, Jamaica, New York is my next most powerful market. So Kingston and New York is my hub in music business. Those are my twin towers. I would say.
What are Bounty Killer inside of the building?
What are in the building? Yes! Bronx! Come in! White plants! Yo! And watch it out. This is the man who record me at the cover shop.
Really?
This is Brent.
Okay.
Mr. Prendergast. This is the engineer.
Yes.
Who encouraged me to record on the general rhythm. I never even really feeling the rhythm. Because I did like the jumpy, fast rhythm. Brent was the one who coached me and said, Killer, this is a classic rhythm and it's not the tempo or the vibes. It's just the vibration of the rhythm. Yeah, it's a feel. It's not every time you hear the vibe, sometimes you have to feel it. Yes, so this is Mr. Prento,
Pick up yourself,
the
Mr.
legendary engineer who recorded that song. Yes, Copper Shot. And he was the one who really forced me to record on the rhythm because I wasn't really into that.
Really?
You know the greatest part about the women last time when you said, you know, we never even like rhythm, so I'm going to sing over a song.
That's the purpose. I ended up remaking the song. I changed the first 4 lines.
Yes.
Because originally Copper Shot goes like, come a man back him gun you fi run.
Yes.
No wait till him lick a shot you around. From a man back him gun and then the change it said, from me pop out me gun load and run.
See that?
It was a re-recorded
Yes.
song.
Yes.
I recorded that song for Mikey Coos.
Yes.
Long before I reached Jammy's studio.
Yes.
And then when Prento gave me that rhythm, I said, now put my best song from this. When they gave me a recycle.
Yeah, the slow rhythm.
And it happened to be the recycle song that led to this dynasty of
Yes.
Bounty Killers.
Yes.
So kudos to Prento. This man is a legend.
Yes.
Well,
One of the greats.
I want to let you know that Kingston Fashion also has a recording studio next door. Right?
Yes, he just had to.
Yeah, what's your thoughts on that? The fact that you did have a printer working at the days when I say, yo, try that rhythm.
Yeah, man.
Nowadays, you see a lot of people recording from their own personal studio, might not have a second ear of someone to say, well, try this or do this. What's your thoughts on that?
Well, that's just the versatility of the Pro Tool systems. Everybody can have a little thing at them home, but that's not a real studio.
That's not a real
Because you can't mix and master this. So anyway, you can't mix and master in a studio. You have a little boot where you go and you don't take voice, but that's not studio. You have a little recording device where you can take vocals. Can you make rhythms there? Can you mix and master there? No. So that don't really classify as a real studio. But the versatility of Pro Tool make you can do certain things on your car back.
More of a demo.
You understand? But to recognize that he made a studio and he's not a producer, that's a serious gesture. A producer always gonna want a studio because that's his tool to make money. This man owns a store and he takes a store money making a recording studio to help the youths them around the community. That's great. That's community development. That sounds like something with Sugar Minor. Human promotion. So we have to say kudos to Kingston's Fashion and kudos to all the persons involved. And tell you what, the man saying own the building. This is entrepreneurship. This is entrepreneurship. Simple little black brother owns a store and he owns the building. He has no overhead expenses. We have to support this. This is great example. This is a big template set for the youths who coming up. Just a brother like me from Trenchtown. So we have to beat him up. Come on, that's a brother. Brother, come on, that's a brother. Yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the CEO, Kingston's Fashion. And he's representing Kingston, Jamaica, while he supplies the community with quality, original, fashionable clothes and fashion. Reasonable cost. Okay? Kind of Jamaica, the clothes in here. Until that 30 US in here, you can't get the clothes.
What I truly respect about it, this used to be, well, this is no Earl Moody's way. Remember Earl Moody from back in the day, Moody's record. Couple stores down here used to be.
Yeah, I used to come to Mr. Moody's.
Yeah. It's no longer here. And I see that he's trying to bring these things back into the community.
Keeping up with the tradition.
Tell us about Moody's and back in the early days.
Well, everybody know about Moody's in the Bronx. You always have to come to Mr. Moody's. It was no HMP and no big nothing. It was Mr. Moody and it was Randy's and it was all these other little stores. They are the ones, super powerful. They are the ones. Original records. So you know, we always stick to our roots and our foundation. And we try to evolve and elevate, but we never lost roots. Because your roots is your root. If you're not a roots, you're not a root, you're not grounded. Yeah. So big up my brother from Trenchtown. I was born at 11 and a half, Cali Smith Drive. Same place in the Trenchtown, in the concrete jungle. And we are out here. And we have been success rumble. Alright, so we want the Jamaican people them. Support with Jamaicans. Support Jamaican for Jamaican in America. Alright, don't come and complain Jamaican. Alright, you got all America. But we are Jamaican. Okay? So, go and play some more music and we're there going to fight with people there. Hi, Richard! Just so go ahead and remark. It's in the flower, the reason you want to just one that you know I was 20 gold, Bush Park, well, tell him of the field, tell him of the field, Then time it
Come on, let's go into the art.
Yes, man.
Guys,
Yes, everybody.
my engineer, you ask him.
Hold on, you wait. Sorry.
Yes.
Come on, bro, from the studio.
Yes, we are right by the studio. That's right. That's
So you can see.
Yes.
Where you from?
At the same time, when the studio come online for me do it, actually I close for $1 million house up in Westchester. And when I have the money, you don't know, me I borrow money, I try to close for it. And then the opportunity will come up. 2 stories down. We've been a time for the studio, but we can't drive down my next business. So I dream, say, yo, we'll fill this open up. When that open up, at the time when we actually try to close for the house, and one of them come and say, yo, I can't do that, because all we do that. So this is how I get it from me. This is how I get the work from the credit card. Because I could have a loan, but then a loan process I tried this my dream house. So I just see that 10 acres, pan, boat, I own a pan with that. I told you people that one time I told them I come out and I come in 96 months. I open up whenever I have no.
The first time I come America in the 90s.
So, mess up enough.
At Kingston, I come by with cars. I was I can read them. I be there for the I totally people grew up on the whole generation. Yeah, so I said, but we don't want to just pass through and we just go about business.
And one day, I walk on the block and two, I buy 2 houses now, I settle up this thing. You know, it's a little tiny store. Come on, I can rent. I buy 2 houses now. Remember, I buy a house now. Take the mind state, never think I buy a house. So when we buy 2 houses, I say, you know, sir, you can rent a little store. Now, on 2 years prior to that, we sell some iron thing in front of the street. So she like the brand. Now, I walk down the store now. You see her, I'm making a little store here. I said, no, sir. You like the people. Why don't you buy Kingston fashion? I said, what? It's for sale. She said, no. But they sell it to you. Why? After that, she started to tell a little tear. And the reason was because her father passed. She spent all her time at the store and her mother both. And she knows. She done make a babysitter take care of her. And she said, you know, said, the whole time I there at the store, I miss all of this thing. I'm going to feel like deals that you know? So I said, yo, I have enough money. I want to retire and I want to spend the rest of the time with my father. With my mother. So now when we come in the process now, we have to make sure everything right. As soon as we get everything done, that's good. Somebody at this point can't go spend time with that. Alright, right now, alright, big one thing, I threw me in a call with you and tell her, I said, this is a good one. And I tell her, I said, I'm planning and not to reach here. And still I tell my thanks, thank you so much. I didn't know you make it so, remember saying that thing so fast you want to get. No, remember that can be like brand new story. And I Jamaican representing. Remember, so we get something other representing. And the same thing with the studio, other representing.
Yeah, no Jamaican store, no different store. Look like a store. Any store.
Yeah, you can tell who is it.
But quality. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we have enough debt, but what we're going to do? We're trying and pay for that and so the thing goes to
I have to drive on the wheel.
Listen, man, from a day in Kingston Fashion, I hope somebody could have bring a big artist to highlight the work, because I know so the work are real work, and I know so when people hear it, they will have sense, they're not going to respect it.
Of course.
And I'm Moody's way, them are the Moody's way, you know. And two little reporter, I take picture, walk down and see Kingston Fashion and take 2 pictures, you know. And by the time I say, yeah, you know, so we're the only black cloth store, and I say, what?
But that's how we grow. That's how we grow. That's how we grow too. That's how we grow.
Me, Bobby. I'm gonna make Bobby everything.
Yeah, that's how we grow. We grow with our dream thing. Yeah, that's how we do. We don't have jamming now. We just have grow. We have with us. Yeah, we have everything. So we just grow. Yeah, just grow.
And look at the extra we put on. Everything's set up. First touch, you have played on this guy here.
Yeah, you know what I'm
Not like I try to get the guy to get this dreaming that going from an umbrella. I want you to know what I mean.
Check pioneer. Yo. It is DJ Johnny.
Go back to the... Watch your back.
Like